Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall MySQL database completely from your PC. If you think just by uninstalling from control panel will uninstall it completely, then you are wrong. You have to follow some more steps. Let's see all the steps one by one. Firstly, go to control panel. And I am uninstalling this so that I can install MySQL again. So I will create one more video where I'll show you how to install MySQL. So here you can see you have these 4 MySQL related apps installed. One by one uninstall all 4. Once you are done with this, now you have to go to your C drive and here you need to go to program files and you see this MySQL folder, just simply delete it. After this, go back and here you need to show the hidden folders. So go to view and go to show and tick this hidden items. Now go inside this program data and check for MySQL. So here you have it. Just click on it and delete. Now again go back. Now the last step, you have to go to this users folder and here you will see your name folder. Go inside it and then you have to go to this app data folder. Once you go inside this, now go to roaming folder and here you again see this MySQL folder. Just delete it. Now your MySQL database is successfully uninstalled completely from your PC. So that's it guys. Like this video and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching.